Welcome to Cooking with LYNQ. Today we are going to be making some chicken fingers that are going to be baked and not fried, and it's an amazingly easy recipe. So the first thing you're going to do is I took some chicken breasts and cut it in strips, and then squeeze some lemons to help bind the topping on the chicken. In the lemon juice, I'm just going to put a little bit of it powdered and mix it in. And then I'm going to take this lemon juice and just pour it over the chicken. So I'm just going to take some of this chicken and make sure that it's well soaked into the lemon juice. And in a separate bowl, I mixed together some grated Parmesan cheese and some breadcrumbs that were already seasoned. Mix all of this together. And you take your chicken, just dip it in, coat it properly, and place it on